All right, guys, it's Jared Cook. I'm here today at the Perry Company. This is the Fortress product line, and we're here in Waco, Texas, and we're going to take a look at these Can-Am Defender uppers. So we have a full door here that you're looking at. This is a modular system to where you can add the uppers to the lowers, or you can subtract the uppers from the lower depending on what you want for time of year. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look at the form, fit, and function on this Can-Am Defender. What you will notice is that right now it looks as if you have a full door, and essentially you do, but what we've created here is we've created a lower door with a convertible upper, meaning that you can add an upper to it to turn your half doors into full doors. Now let's take a closer look inside the unit and talk about some of the substrates that we're using. So we do have a 3/16 metal frame all the way around this. Your door skin is made out of 18 gauge. We've got some 1/4 inch dual-sided scratch resistant polycarbonate for your window. We are going to utilize that same latch that you have on your lowers, but you will be receiving an outer handle, obviously, so that you can have easy access to the equipment. Let's go ahead and take some time and we'll sum up the day. Well, thank you guys for coming out today and spending some time with us. We did want to cover the doors, which we love these kind of doors. We love being able to create something that's beneficial for you all year round, whether you want to take that door completely off its hinges or you want to convert it back into a half door, or when the winter comes around, put your top back on. Those are the kind of products that we want to design for you guys. I do want to encourage you to take a look at fortresspro.com. We have roofs, windshields, doors, backsplashes, anything that you could want for your Can-Am Defender or Defender Max. We'd love to help you out at fortresspro.com. Thanks.